special thank you to President Laporta for giving me the chance to live the most incredible chapter of my career. Barca is back where it belongs. Visca el Barça, Visca Catalunya.